Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. So today was a good day. I just shut it off, $2,515. I saw the market was going down, so I made it do shorts only. So if you look right up here, you'll see longs are turned off, shorts only. Several good longs in here than where I could have made um, the goal quicker, but hey, we're selling off. I didn't want these little tiny pops like see, let me find a bad trade in here. See, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. Right here would have been a stop out. It went up and then it pulled back, but it made money on this one. So I knew that it was just going to keep right on coming down close to this pivot, and so I just turned it off. I didn't turn it on until what, around 10:30. When it went up to the VWAP, I figured, well, it's probably going to go ahead and sell off all the way down. You can see right here's a good trade I missed. And so, there's a bad trade, a good trade, a good trade. And I could have been done right here if I had just let it trade both ways, but I never. So when you think that it's just going to be a bearish market, you can just turn your longs off and just let it take the shorts. It might take a little bit longer to get your money, but it's going to be a little bit safer, and that's really the thing to do. We want to just make sure that we're taking good trades. Like right here, this would be an entry for a long right here. Me personally, I don't like it. You look at this right here, you can see that it is coming down. So we've got this one, and we just hit. It's probably going to come right on down. But we're going sideways right now. When we're going sideways, we don't want to trade. We're down close to this pivot. It will more than likely sell off and come back down to this pivot here, more than likely. And honestly, it probably will come down to this area here. So just keeps on working itself down, and you can see right here, it just keeps right on down. So this one here come off the top, and we are right here, but you can actually put that right there, the way it's coming down. So these are the things I teach you in the Ninja Suite. It's not just about turning on a bot and hoping for the best. It's about looking at what's going on. Now, I didn't turn it on until after 10:30, and because I saw in the last week or so at the 9:30 open, the market has been real choppy. So it's just not been something I wanted to do. And all through here, this was chop all the way down, and we come down to here, and then it was chop all the way up. And I just didn't like the way it traded. This morning and last night, it traded great. It had, I think it was 13 wins and 4 losses overnight, but I never traded it. I just got back to South Carolina from a Kentucky home, and I didn't even have my computer set up until this morning. So, but I come in, I turn the longs off. That's why these buttons are over here, to help you control what's going on over here. And once you see what is happening with the market, use these buttons to do so. And it's a learning curve. You're not always right. But for the most part, if you look at the market, how it's going, then more than likely you'll probably be fine. But you can put your main longs in, your shorts. Like if you thought that this got down here and you thought, well, I have my shorts on only, but I think this is going to be a good one. Well, you can enter that. You can enter it off of this down here if you wanted. So there's things that you can do, but the thing of it is 50% goal. 4 contracts is $2,000. So we're up 25.15. It's a really good trade. This was fully automated, other than I turned my longs off. Now it entered the trade, it put the stop, it put the profit target. I never touched anything at all on it. The only thing I did was turn my longs off. And you can see here, it's doing exactly what I said. It went up. We had this little level right here, and it went up, and look what we're doing. We're coming down to this here. More than likely, we're going to come down to the SPY money level. These are my personal levels. Those magenta lines, that's my personal levels. And they are magic. They work really well. So you can figure that this is probably going to blow right on through. Maybe not this time, but it will go ahead and come down. Now right here would have been an entry off of this right here, the way we've got the settings on it. And to get where we need to go, let's just see where. Right there's where we got to go. So let's just draw a line here. Once we touch this line, that would be a profitable trade. There it is. So there's another $200 per contract. So I trade 4 contracts. There's $800 that was made. And look what happened. It hit it and bounced. So there is another trade I could have had. This one right here was a winner. Let's see. Yeah, that was a winner. From right here down to here. As long as we hit our 200, then that's a winner. So there's 2 more trades I could have made. So that's $1,600 more. So that would be what, $4,100 I could be up. But here's the thing, guys. We have goals. And we're not here to trade all day. We're here to get, 3 good trades. And if we can get 3 good trades, that's all. That's all you need. You don't need to stay here all day long trading this stuff. It's just not what you need to do. So, don't be greedy and make sure your risk management is in place. And, you should be okay. So this actually worked really well, and it was a good day. These are some of the things I teach in training and so forth on how to look at your market, see what's going on. And I'm not always right. No, by no means I'm not always right. So how do you get started? You go up to the spymoneyllse.com. You type on that, click on the Ninja Suite. When you click on the Ninja Suite, that is going to bring you to this right here. There's a little instructional video that tells you what it's all about. And if you come down here, there's the list of the indicators or the bots that we have. There's 4 bots. We always use Coaster. I don't think anybody uses anything else. I think it's always Coaster. And then here's a list of indicators. We have more than that. Drawing tools. Here's a frequently asked questions. Read through this because it'll probably answer your question before you even send me an email. Once you do all that, if you're interested, then you come back up here. You look at the 14 items here. Make sure you agree to this. The number one thing is SpyBot is not the auto trading bots. They are not set it and leave it bots. There's nothing out there like that. And if anybody tells you they've got one that does that, then run, because there's no such thing. And you shouldn't do it anyway. Risk management. That's number one. If you agree to all these terms, then you highlight all of them, and then you right click and copy. When you do that, you go up here to contact us, and you have to put in your first name, last name, email, phone number. If you don't have this, you will not get a reply. Then you just paste this in there. Once you paste this in, you click submit. It comes directly to me. If I authorize you, then I will send you a link in order to join. If you don't get one, I'll usually tell you why, but if not, you can always reply back. But I don't always let everybody in. And I have, I don't know, I guess kind of a gut feeling about some people or something maybe they said or whatever that makes me believe that they probably shouldn't do this, because not everybody should trade. And that's what you have to remember. Not everybody can be a trader. But let me know what I can do to help you. You can also do funded accounts. We recommend 4 of them. They're all 4 different. They keep changing the rules, so I don't even try to keep up anymore. I don't trade funded accounts. I trade live accounts. So read through these. Click on these, and it will take you to them. Down here, some discounts for them. Try those out and see what works for you. But again, get started on it. You can see right here, there's 2 more trades that you could have done. Will this go ahead and be a good long? I don't know. I wouldn't take a long here. It'll probably come back up to the TP4 area and then probably sell off. I think we're going to come back down to this area right here. PS closed to my level. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to get you started. If you understand NinjaTrader, then this will be a breeze. If you don't understand NinjaTrader, then it's going to take a little more time. And be very happy to get you going. You guys have a great day.